Question number 2, first part A. Find the sum given below. 7 plus 10 and a half plus 14 plus dot 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 34. You have to find out the sum of A. How do you find? So you have to write A equal to 7, A equals to A2 minus A1, that is 10 and a half minus 7. 10 and a half minus 7 is 3 and a half, that is 7 by 2. And An equals to, first of all you have to find out n. For finding out the sum of n terms, n is required. So you have to find out n first. So use the formula. That formula we have used earlier also. N equals to a plus n minus 1 into b. N equals to 84. 84 equals to 7 plus n minus 1 into 7 by 2. So 84 equals to 7 plus 7n by 2 minus 7 by 2. You will write like this: 84 minus 7 equals to 7n minus 7 by 2. It will be 77 equal to 7n minus 7 by 2. Therefore, this will be the cross multiplication. 154, 77 into 2, 154 equals to 7n minus 7. So if you arrange this variable in one side and constant in one side, it will be 154 plus 7 equal to 7n. It will be 161 equal to 7n. Therefore, n equal to 161 by 7, and if you will solve it, you will get 23. So n equals to 23. Now find out as n equals to n by 2, the same formula for finding out the sum of n terms as we have already derived. 2a plus n minus 1 into b. As n. What is the value of n? N is 23. We will write as 23 equals to 23 by 2. 2 into 7 plus 23 minus 1 into 7 by 2. It will be what? 23 by 2, 14 plus 22 into 7 by 2 is 11. So 23 by 2 multiplied by 14 plus 77. So 23 by 2 multiplied by 91. So 23 into 91. Do it 23 into 91. What will be the answer? 23. 2093. So 2093 divided by 2 will be 1046 at half. And this will be the answer. Okay. Now another question, that is B. Find the sum given below. You have to use the same formula. A equals to 34. A equals to 34. B equals to A2 minus A1. That is 32 minus 34 equals to minus 2. And An equals to 10. Use the same formula for finding out the n, because you have to find out the sum of n, sum of all this term. So An equals to a plus n minus 1 into b. An is 10. 10 equals to 34 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. Do like this. 10 equals to 34 minus 2n plus 2. So 10 equals to 36 minus 2n. 10 minus 36 equal to minus 2n. Minus 26 equals to minus 2n. Minus cancel. So n equals to 26 by 2. So n equal to 14. So now we got n equals to 14. Again, use the formula for finding out the sum. And the formula is n by Sn equals to 2a plus n minus 1 into n by 2. Sorry. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into t. N by 2. What is the value of n? As 14. Equals to 14 by 2. 2 into a. A is what? 34 plus 14 minus 1 into minus 2. Because b is minus 2. That will be 7. 68 plus 13 into minus 2. 7. 68 minus 26. So 7 into 2 and 4. 44. So it will be 294. So this is the answer of question number 2 of B. Now we'll start question number 3. In an AP given A equals to 5, B equals to 3, N equals to 50, find N and Sn. Number of terms and sum of N terms. So how will you find out? Use the formula for finding out N. The same formula, An equals to A plus N minus 1 into B. From this formula, you will get N. Thereafter, you can find out Sn. So Sn equals to An equals to 50, 50 equals to 5 plus N minus 1 into B is 3. 50 equals to 5 plus 3N minus 3. 50 equals to 3N plus 2. Therefore, 50 minus 2 equal to 3N. 48 equals to 3N. N equal to 48 upon 3, that is 60. Now N equal to 60. So this is the half part of the answer. Now you have to find out Sn. Sn equals to formula. Again I am writing the formula. 2a plus n minus 1 into b. This is the formula. So what is the value of n? 16. So we write x16 equal to 16 by 2. 2 into a. A is what? 5 plus 16 minus 1 into b. B is what? A is given, that is 3. So 8 into 10 plus 45. 15 into 3, 45. 8 into 55. 440. So the answer will be 440. Question number 3. In an AP given A equals to 7, A13 equal to 35, find B and S13. So first of all, write down what is given in the question. A13. A13 equal to 35. As we have already explained that A13 equal to 35, that can be written as A plus 12B equal to 35. Now here it is very clear. A is given 7. So 7 plus 12B equal to 35. So 12D equals to 35 minus 7, 28. So D equals to 28 by 12. 28 by 12. So it will be 7 by 3. So D equals to 7 upon 3. So you can find out S13. S13 equals to, before S13 you have to find out N. For N, formula will be N equals to A plus N minus 1 into B. Okay. So A13 equals to A 7 plus N minus 1 into 7 by 3. A13 is to 35. 35 equal to 7 plus 7 by 3N minus 7 by 3. So it will be 35 equals to 7 minus 7 by 3. 21 minus 7, 14 by 3 plus 7N by 3. So it will be 35 minus 14 by 3 equal to 7N by 3. So therefore 105 minus 14 by 3 equal to 7N by 3. These we cancel. So it will be what? 1 and 9. 91 equal to 7N. Therefore N equal to 91 by 7, 30. So N equals to 30. N equals to 30. Now find out S13. S13 equals to 13 by 2. 2A. A means what? A is 7. 2 into 7 plus 13 minus 1 into B. B is already 7 by 3. We have already found out. So it is 13 by 2. 14 plus 12 into 7 by 3. 13 by 2. 14 plus 84 by 3. 13 by 2. 14 plus 28. So 13 by 2 into 40. We just solve it. So we get 13 into 21. 273. So you will get 273. And this is the answer of this question. n